Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Urban Rides Hub, where we put the latest and greatest vehicles to the test. Today, we're diving deep into a vehicle that's perfect for large families, businesses, and anyone needing serious passenger and cargo space. The 2025 Isuzu Hiace 9-seater. Is it the ultimate people mover? Let's find out. Step inside. The interior of the 2025 Hiace has received a significant upgrade. The dashboard is modern and ergonomically designed, with easy-to-reach controls. The infotainment system features a touchscreen display with available navigation, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. This allows for seamless smartphone integration for music, navigation, and calls. Under the hood, we're looking at Isuzu's tried-and-true 2.8L turbocharged diesel engine. This engine is known for its reliability and efficiency, which is crucial for a vehicle like this. It's paired with a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission. While exact horsepower and torque figures might vary slightly depending on the market, expect something in the ballpark of 170 to 190 horsepower and around 300–350 pound-feet of torque. This gives you plenty of grunt for hauling a full load of passengers and cargo, even up hills. Fuel economy is also a key consideration, and Isuzu is targeting impressive figures in the 28 to 32 mpg range. Of course, real-world mileage will depend on driving conditions and load. You'll find plenty of storage compartments throughout the cabin, which is essential for keeping things organized on long trips. And of course, the main event, the seating. This is a true 9-seater, with comfortable seating for everyone. The rear seats offer decent legroom and headroom, even for taller passengers. Rear air conditioning vents are a must-have in this segment, and the Hiace delivers. 2025 Isuzu Hiace, the ultimate 9-seater. It's definitely a strong contender. It offers a combination of practicality, reliability, comfort, and modern features. If you need a vehicle that can handle large families, business needs, or anything in between, the Hiace deserves a serious look. We took the Hiace for a test drive, and it handles surprisingly well for its size. The ride is comfortable, even on rough roads, and the steering is responsive. The turbo diesel engine provides ample power for overtaking and merging onto highways. The 2025 Isuzu Hiace 9-seater is expected to start around $40,000 for the base model, with higher trim levels and optional features pushing the price closer to $50,000. This puts it in direct competition with other vans in this segment. What do you think of the new Hiace? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Urban Rides Hub for more in-depth reviews, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our future videos.